Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you an hair clippers for man, professional cordless hair cutting kit for barbers, rechargeable electric man's hair clipper, a beard trimmer with LCD display, 3-speed adjustable steps. It calls a OPOVE X Prime. Oh yeah. Oh, this is an all-in-one home-use grooming kit. The professional clipper, double up as bird trimmers, offers multi-function from one device. It can be a hair and a bird trimmer for man and woman, of course. Also suitable for kids, toddlers, as the R-shaped blade tip safety design which could prevent scratching of the scalp. Lightweight design also is very comfortable to grip. All these features make it easy to use, even for first timers to cut hair at home. DIY. We have wireless 2200 mAh rechargeable battery built in. The hair trimmer can be corded or cordless, used for cutting, which can meet our needs for haircuts at home or on business trips, which is very convenient for travel, vacation, business trips, etc. 110 voltage up to 240 voltage universal charging. 4 hours full charge gives up to 230 minutes long running time. It comes with a charging station and an adapter, enable us to conveniently charging the hair clippers in 2 ways. One is the docking station and one is the clipper itself. Quite powerful rotary motor. The electric clipper's motor performs is powerful enough to cut through even the thickest hair with easy styling. The teeth of the blade are tightly knit for that single path that can remove hair with no snagging or pulling, giving us an effective haircut. Precision blades, large LED display included. Titanium metal plus ceramic blades, long lasting, sharp for the perfect haircut. Since the blades are detachable, they are easy to clean underwater. The LED display of the hair clippers lets us know the percentage of battery life that remains and the current clipping speed. 4 lengths guard combinations, 5 lengths regulator. Includes 2 pieces, 3 and 6 millimeters, 9 and 12 millimeters guard attachment. Works with 5 lengths regulators from 0.8 millimeters to 2 millimeters. We can easily adjust the to the right height and cut out the hairstyle we want. It's a really easy to use hair clipper. You have an LCD display, easy cleaning, because if you're removing the head is waterproof, not the clipper itself. 230 minutes running time. This is a long time. Durable and sharp, double blade, self-sharpening blades because of metal components and ceramic. And self-sharpening precision blades. The blades are precision ground to stay sharp longer, provide high performance precision to achieve any hairstyle and prevent skin irritation for long lasting durability. LED screen for the smart control. Know the rotation speed and available time at once through the large LED screen, adjusting the function we need. No worry about running out of power unconsciously. And precision cutting length control. Fine adjustment of rotating the wheel on the clipper itself. You can perform 0.8 millimeters, 1.1 millimeters, 1.4 millimeters, 1.7 millimeters, and 2 millimeters. This is easy to change the hair cutting length. And 3-speed process adjustments. First grade, 5,000 rounds per minute. Suitable for baby and kids under 5 years old. Quiet and whisper noise. The second grade is 6,000 rounds per minute. Suitable for child and soft hair. Low noise system. And the third grade is 7,000 rounds per minute. Suitable for adult and hardcore hair. Strong power for my beard. 2 charging ways. Plug the charger to the hair clipper directly or plug it to the base. You can choose. There's 2 different ways of charging. The clipper can work 230 minutes and you have to recharge it for approximately 4 hours until you will reach the full charge. And you can remove the trimmer head. Push the trimmer head out from the body through the upper side, and then you can remove the trimmer head. Then you can wash up the trimmer head, not the trimmer, and you can clean the trimmer by using the brush. After this, dry the trimmer head. Job's done, let's reinstall it. Adjust the regulator to 2 millimeters first. Place the trimmer head back to the machine body and lock it by pushing it for finishing the installation. It's really easy and it's convenient. Then you have cord or cordless to use. These hair clippers for men and women and so on supports 2 ways to use cord and cordless. You could take it while traveling. Definitely convenient. And powerful and durable motor is built in. Features a precision motor that ensures whisper quiet operation with low vibrations. It won't scare our kids and let our kids feel at the easy and are not afraid of haircut anymore. Because of this clipper, for example. This is the OPOVE clipper. Extreme powerful, smooth, no snag haircuts. Ultra quiet powerful motor. Self-sharpening precision ground blades. Compact design for excellent cutting control. And it's ideal for self-haircuts to any hairstyle. OPOVE self-cutting kit for homes to use. Keep your hair always looking good. It's very useful both at home and the professional salon use. Complete, new, user-friendly, with limited comb. This hair trimmer ensures you are safe cutting and best for good looking. No more expensive build for grooming, and you can do it an easy way. Titanium blade combining with the ceramic movable blades for effective and long-term cutting. The titanium blade of the hair clipper set will not get rusty. The air-shaped rounded edge designed for the blade prevents from hurting skin. It always keeps sharp and ensures durability. The hair trimmer tool set, simply and easy to use, and it's suitable for all family members. This is the OPOVE X Prime. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.